In front of me is INFINIX Smart 8 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by accessing tab menu and looking for one-handed mode shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to change placement of your little screen, click on this icon of one-handed mode on the right or on the left. If you wish to go back, you can click on the same shortcut as before or tap on this X on the right or on the left as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!